Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest reviews on the products you love. Today, we're diving into the world of ATV riding boots, and we've got a real gem for you. Strap in, because we're about to explore the O'Neill new logo men's dirt bike boot, hailed by many as the best ATV riding boots on the market. Let's kick things off with what sets these boots apart from the competition. The O'Neill new logo men's dirt bike boot boasts injection-molded plastic plates that provide top-notch protection against impacts. That means you can hit those trails with confidence, knowing your feet are well guarded. But protection isn't the only thing these boots have going for them. With a metal shank insert, these boots reinforce their shape and offer unparalleled support. Plus, the snap-lock adjustable 4-buckle closure system ensures a secure fit every time, giving you peace of mind on even the roughest rides. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say. Pat from the United States raves about the quality versus price, saying, "The quality versus price is way more than expected." And Nathan Brown adds, "I could not be happier with the price and quality of the boot." But wait, there's more. These boots are not only durable but also comfortable. With features like an air mesh interior, generous heel support, and a cushioned insole, you'll be riding in comfort for hours on end. Plus, the synthetic leather heat shield protects against heat damage, ensuring these boots stand the test of time. Whether you're tearing up the track or hitting the trails, the O'Neill new logo men's dirt bike boot is your go-to choice for superior performance and protection. And with sizes available for the whole family, there's no reason not to gear up with these top-of-the-line boots. That's all for today's review, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all your favorite products. Until next time, ride safe and stay stylish.